Hello children, welcome back to your EVS class. In this video, we will study chapter 5 of standard 3rd EVS, that is our first school home. So students, let's begin with the chapter now. In last two sessions, we learned about our family. I explained different types of families and the different relationships between the family members. We also solved the textual exercise. So, these are already explained in last two sessions. Now, today we will study some rules and customs that are followed in a family and also solve the rest of the textual exercise. I hope you all will enjoy. So children, let's begin our today's session. So children, let's see some rules of a family. We learn many things staying in a family. Every family has got their own family rules. I have collected a few here. These rules are followed in my family. So let's see the rules that are followed in my family. Be kind, say please and thank you. Share your belongings. If a door is closed, knock first. Keep the house clean. So, these are the rules of my family. But children, if you follow some other rules, you can write those rules in your notebook. Let's see what's there in the next slide. Well, here you can see the things we learn from a family. Children, we learn many basic things and lessons from the family. We help our parents by cleaning the floor, dusting, disposal of garbage, drying the clothes, laying the table, etc. We share our things with our brothers, sisters, and friends. Children, do you know sharing is caring? So, you should share your things with others. So, these are the things we can learn from a family. We can also share our feelings and emotions with our family members. Now, let's have a look in this slide. This question is asked in your textbook. Let's have a look on the question. You also learned many things from your family. What and from whom? Children, I learned to be respectful and kind to others from my parents. I learned to value time from my grandparents. But here the answers may vary. You can write the things that you learn from your family, right? Children, now come to the next question. Has anyone learned anything from you? Well, my sister has learned operating a computer from me. Also, she has learned virtues like punctuality and discipline from me. Here also the answer may vary, so you can mention if anyone has learned anything from you. Okay? Think and write. Well, children, We always share our feelings with any of our family members whenever we are happy or sad. So, children, tell me, whom do you go to when you are sad? Yes, you must be going to your parents or your sister or brother, right? But you know whom I go to when I am sad? Yeah, I go to my father. I go to him and I feel better when I share my feelings with him. Now, the next question says, when I want to share my secrets, I go to my sister. Yeah, I share a very good bond with my sister. I can trust her blindly. So definitely I go to her when I need to share my secrets. The next part of the question says, when I want to know about the past, I go to my grandfather. I go to my grandfather because my grandfather can tell me correctly about the incidents happened in the past. He is the only person in my family and he knows everything about everyone. So I go to him when I want to know about the past. Now come to the next part. When I do something wrong, I go to my mother. Definitely I go to her either to confess it or else I need her help. Usually these answers are very common and these are the feelings, love and care we have for our family. So family is very important to our life. With each members of the family, we have a very special and specific bond and also a unique kind of bond which is very important in our life. Now we will read Surekha's story. Everyone removes their shoes before entering the house. This is the practice in Surekha's family. Some of Surekha's friends enter her house without removing their shoes. Surekha's grandfather gets angry at that. So different family has different customs. Custom means something that a person does regularly for a long period of time. So here we can see in Surekha's house, they don't enter the house with their shoes. But some of her friends did not know about this and they entered the house without removing their shoes. And her grandfather gets angry at that. So it is the rule of Surekha's house that no one will enter the house without removing their shoes. Now, here the question says, are there any particular customs followed by your family? What are those? Yes, there are some particular customs followed by my family. So here basically we will talk about the tradition and customs of our family. I will tell you the customs that are followed in my family. We offer prayers in the morning and in the evening. This custom is followed in my family. The second point is keep your shoes and slippers outside your house. Yes, this rule is strictly followed in my family. We cannot enter our house without removing our shoes. Come to the next point. Put rangoli in front of the house or in front of the puja room. Exchanging gifts during the festivals and functions. Touching feet of elders to seek their blessings. Students, we need to touch the feet of elders before leaving the house also. Doing namaskar or greeting the elders. Whenever we meet somebody, we join our hands and say namaskar. There are many more practices. Maybe you are following in your family, you can add upon. Children, have a look on this question which is asked in your textbook. Does any member of your family have any particular habit like laughing loudly when they are happy? Yes, my father keeps on singing when he takes a bath. But children, here the answer may vary. Now, move on to the next question. What other people do except laughing when they are happy? Well, they can pray to God to thank for whatever they have. They can share their happiness with their family. They can listen to their favorite music. So these are the things that can be done by the people when they are happy. Move on to the next question. How do you show respect to the elders in your family? Look around to see how others show respect. Well, whenever an elder relative comes to our home, we touch their feet to show respect. I always talk in soft tone with my parents. So this is how I show my respect to the elders in my family. But children, here the answer may vary. So here the question says, what did older members of family do in their childhood? Well, they played with their brothers, sisters, cousins and friends. They used to read storybooks in their free time. Now students, here I have given you the home assignment. Now you have to write these answers in your EVS notebook. Students, here I have finished the whole chapter. Now go through the chapter, revise it. I believe you all must have understood the whole topic. Thank you.